Calligraphy transforms ordinary writing into an art form by carefully controlling every stroke, shape, and movement of the writing tool. Its main purpose is to create letters that are not only readable, but also visually expressive and beautifully balanced across a page. The process begins with a specially shaped pen, brush, or marker that responds differently depending on its angle and pressure. Unlike everyday handwriting, calligraphy relies on deliberate motions that produce thick and thin lines within the same letter. These changing line widths give calligraphic writing its distinctive character and elegant appearance. As the calligrapher moves across the paper, the tool is held at a consistent angle to maintain visual harmony. Pressure is increased during certain strokes and reduced during others, creating contrast that makes letters appear graceful and dynamic. Every curve, connection, and spacing decision contributes to the overall rhythm of the written design. Different calligraphy styles follow specific sets of rules that guide letter proportions and stroke directions. Traditional scripts often require repeated practice because even small variations can affect the balance of an entire word. Many artists first sketch guidelines that help keep lettering aligned and evenly spaced across the page. With patience, precision, and steady control, simple marks gradually become decorative forms that communicate both meaning and artistic personality. The beauty of calligraphy comes from turning written language into something that feels carefully crafted, timeless, and uniquely human. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.